Hello everybody, this is another video by Hookah-Burdar, and today I'll be making an unboxing together with a vendor review. I just received this parcel from Egypt, directly from Egypt, and it comes from the store Nargile-Cyprus. Cyprus, of course, from my friend Terry Antoniadis. And I'll be discussing my previous orders from Terry, as well as the pipes I purchased from him. Well, this is a Temsa which is here for comparison, because what is here is a FARIDA. Now, I discovered Terry's website almost at the same time as it was being created. That was at the end of 2010, beginning January 2011, and my first order, after I spoke with him, I followed some of the debate and some of the exchanges he had on the North American fora, and then as I found his website looking for other possibilities to buy hookahs in Southern Europe or in neighboring countries neighboring Turkey or neighboring Egypt, I found Nargile-Cyprus, and then I discovered it was the same person I had been following on American forum. And I got in touch with him. I spoke with him several times, and I decided to order because it seemed quite convenient in terms of prices for Egypt products. The first thing I got were beautiful mid-size jumbos, supposedly by KM, but you know KM, Khalil Mamoon, doesn't actually make them. Anyway, I got two with different patterns. Lovely, lovely vases. The next thing I ordered was this, one of my favorite pipes, which is Khalil Mamoon Negma Mankush. It's called Beast, I think, in Europe and in the States. And it's similar to the Mini, but taller. And it is one solid piece in here. So very solid, very nice, very good draw. One of my favorite pipes, of course. I used it for this beautiful vase, not a Bohemian, maybe a copy of well-known Bohemians, but a very nice vase. And favorite pipe, I'd say, even if it doesn't have a copper down stem. Next order was this fanus without oxidation. Very nice pipe as well. Solid brass, as I like it. And, oh no, in between I got these. Very nice, very tall model, which seldom seen in the States. I think we called it Zoreida, but names vary. Anyhow, these days I think that 5-Star Hookah also carries it, and Vitzipipa in Hungary. This was a very good buy. All orders arrived quite quickly, between 5, 6 and 12 days from Egypt directly. The only thing that could have been improved is packaging. As you can see with this order, well, it's well packaged in terms of nothing protruding, reinforced and so on, but well, they just recovered used boxes. So I had a couple of times with these orders from Nargile-Cyprus, packaging would have been a bit destroyed when it arrived here, so could have been better. But otherwise, shipping was quick, and you receive things directly from Egypt, which is nice. So let's see what we have here. The base, the bag, which I don't know whether it would be a real FARIDA or one of those jumbos. well, the tray, nice and small, with FARIDA both in English and in Arabic. Then we get what must be the bowl and the base. And it seems my mid-sized jumbo, as in the picture, so it will be similar to the ones which I just showed you and I first ordered, and which I love, by the way. I don't need bases to be Bohemian. Actually, some Syrians are very nice quality, and some Egyptians, nice. Lovely, because it has different pattern to the two other ones I have. So that's nice. And now let's have a look at the pipe itself. Well, here I have the hose, which is a new FARIDA hose. I understand it should be washable, but this one, the first batch, is not, because of misunderstandings when making them. And this is very well packaged this time. Look at this. Stem is very well protected. Thank you, Terry. I mean, I've been kind of complaining about this, requesting him to do a better package. As I said, this is my, well, actually this is a long story. This is my 5th order, but it's the 6th parcel sent to me, because one was supposed to be lost. And Terry's sending me this. It's replacing a lost item, lost by postal service. But guess what? Today when I was checking the tracking of these, it appears that the parcel finally has surfaced, meaning that I would have to pay this pipe, which was replacement, and now if the parcel is indeed at the airport, I will recover it, hopefully, and get 2 new pipes. And then I pay for this one. Lovely, lovely, lovely pipe we get here. Look at this. Ah, lovely. Copper down stem. And Rabbaba, I understand, is the name of the pipe. Nice birch valve, which is quite different from the Khalil Mamoun's in terms of finishing. Nice, with big holes, high number. Very, very nice pipe actually, nicer than the pictures. Very nice stem. Yeah, let's see how it goes with there we have it. Very, very nice. Very nice. So I will now undo the rest of the objects coming with it. So, if you have any doubts, particularly if you're living in Europe, by buying from Terry Antonianos, please do not. He has excellent prices and first choice in both Khalil Mamoun's and FARIDA's. He has carried in the past a number of normal clay bowl, Egyptian clay bowl, mid-size, rather small, I would say. Nice. I was saying that he carried Yehya Al-Kawanki, Ahlet Sarhan, and other brands, but well, demand has driven him to carry basically Khalil Mamoun and FARIDA and whatever quality pipes surface appear in the Egyptian market. And I must say this one is beautiful. It's not that different. Yeah, it's bigger than the Kush by by 6 or 7 centimeters. And this piece is actually nicer than I expected. It has a strange shape. It's not a bowl, as you can see. It's like a piece of soap or something, but it is nicely done. More regular than I expected, and of course the etchings are very, very nice on the pipe. Look at this. It is